Alex and Roy Jones. A lot of people thought that Alvarez would, for the first 3 rounds of that fight, Mayweather walked Alvarez down, backed him up. So far, they're fighting
this fight. And Freddie Roach told us he was going to try to cast
that he wants Pacquiao at, because they don't want to be hit with Mayweather.
It's not always been a quick starter.
Hard right hand again.
Shots. Fight an offensive fight, but
and the 2 big right hands. That was a Mayweather round. Pacquiao virtually
tried to throw punches. Mayweather reached out and held him. Took Kenny Bayless a long time to get there. Bayless was hurt. Donna did very well against Mayweather's.
Because he's throwing his jab. Pacquiao doesn't have time to jab.
Pacquiao managing to make hand here in the first minute and a half of the second round.
Double jab. He goes against the ropes.
Now it's against, and who not to allow himself to get against ropes against.
Mayweather lands another straight right hand.
The taller fighter, he's out of range.
There's 50% of his power punches.
Hard left hand by Pacquiao.
Mayweather and Pacquiao's landing even less.
Should be attacking off of